morning. Tracky is checking into the OR.
Good morning, Tracky. Please start with the OR preparation for the surgery.
Tracky, Dr. Brown is checking into operation room.
Good morning, Dr. Brown. Noted.
Tracky, please note, I have started the anesthesia procedure. The time is 8:15.
Noted.
Tracky, please note, patient temperature is 97.7 Fahrenheit, and he received 7,000 units of heparin.
Noted to the system.
Are we ready to start?
Prepared and ready to start.
Tracky, please hand over a set of microneedle holder.
What are the ACT levels?
ACT result is 480.
Tracky, please note to system to recheck ACT levels within 25 minutes.
Noted.
Tracky, how much sponges were taken out of the patient?
21.
Tracky, please start with instruments counting and confirm all return back to the trays.
Start counting. There is a missing curved tips vessel clip.
I found it. Tracky, please recount.
I confirm that all instruments are back to their trays.
Tracky, please note we finished, and we start to wake up the patient.
Noted.
Tracky, your best assistant in surgery.